I'm back. Bring her upstairs, they said. And she's just farted on my pillow. There's no fucking need at all.